Hi, my name is Ericka Ward, and I am the Program Coordinator for Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion here at Riverside Health. And I am so happy that I came today. I was invited by my supervisor and a coworker to come to Riverside's Ladies Leadership Night, and I was so very, very happy that I came. Dr. Bragg expounded on being able to give your 30-minute brag, and she gave us some tidbits from the TheBraggFactor that really helped me, because as a person who likes to give and help others, often we pour out to help other people, but we also don't always know how to talk about the things that we do. We'll boost other people up, but we always maybe shy away from sharing the good things that we do. So she gave me the confidence tonight that there's no shame in telling your pitch and sharing the good things that are notable about yourself. So I want to say thank you to Dr. Bragg for pouring into my life tonight. It really, really has made a difference, and I feel a lot more confident to go out there and give my brag.